The Sun is a star, a ball of hot plasma, held together by its own gravity. It is the only star in our solar system, and it is the source of all light and heat on Earth. The Sun is about 149.6 million kilometers, 92.9 million miles, from Earth. It is a huge ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. The Sun is made up of several layers, each with its own unique properties. Corona. Radiative layer. Convection layer. Solar core. Photosphere. Chromosphere. And solar wind. The core is the hottest and densest layer, where nuclear fusion reactions take place. The energy from these reactions is transported to the outer layers by radiation and convection. Radiation is the emission of energy in the form of electromagnetic waves. Convection is the movement of hot fluid from one place to another. The photosphere is the visible surface of the Sun. It is about 100 kilometers thick and has a temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius. The chromosphere is the layer above the photosphere. It is much thinner and hotter, with a temperature of about 20,000 degrees Celsius. The corona is the outermost layer of the Sun. It is very hot, with a temperature of millions of degrees Celsius. The corona is not visible to the naked eye, but it can be seen during a solar eclipse. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles, released from the corona. The Sun is not a static object. It is constantly active, with features such as sunspots, solar flares, and prominences. Sunspots are dark patches on the photosphere that are caused by cooler areas of gas. Solar flares are sudden bursts of energy that can release billions of tons of matter into space. Prominences are huge loops of gas that extend from the chromosphere into the corona. The Sun is essential for life on Earth. It provides us with light and heat, and it drives the Earth's climate and weather patterns. The Sun's energy also helps plants to grow, which provides food and oxygen for animals. The Sun is about 4.5 billion years old, and it is expected to live for another 5 billion years. As the Sun ages, it will become brighter and hotter. Eventually, it will become a red giant and engulf Mercury and Venus. The Earth will be too hot to support life at that point. Humans have been exploring the Sun for centuries, but it is only in recent decades that we have been able to send spacecraft close enough to study it in detail.